Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report from Mike Bjork here. Sorry about that. Uh, Today is Thursday, June 28th, and we got a couple of important economic news releases scheduled for today. And first item here to note would be the weekly jobless claims. Last week, it was actually revised from 387,000 people applying for unemployment to 392. And then we figured it would drop down to about 385, and it was pretty close down to about 386, but still pretty high levels there, especially when they revised it to the higher side last week. So I think that caught a few people by surprise there. The other item is the GDP for the first quarter. This is the final revision, and it was at 1.9. They figured there wouldn't be really any changes. So this is disappointing in the sense that we finished up the year last year at 3%, and we dropped down to about 1.9%. So obviously there's some signs of a slowdown heading into the beginning of this year. And then of course we're kind of seeing that here this second quarter as well, even probably slower than that. So it'll be interesting to see how the year end plays out. As we do see some signs of slowing down a little bit, but what's kind of helping us, as we've been kind of seeing on some of these housing, is the housing area. So let's jump over to the headline news and see what we got here. Today we got the stock market's down quite a bit. Actually, the Dow was down over 150 today so far this morning. And the big thing, so the economic news they're looking at today, and this is the other item that they're really looking at today, is the Supreme Court gave out the ruling on the 2010 Affordable Care Act, which is basically Obamacare, that it proved unconstitutional. So they are leaving it intact as we speak. So that's the big news for today here in the U.S. And so let's go over and see what the interest rates are doing. So we can see a big jump. We saw yesterday we had that long tail that touched below the the 10-day moving average, and it was hitting the floor. And it pulled up, and we actually closed up at 3 basis points yesterday. Now today we had a little bit of an opening gap, and now we're fighting up against the ceiling and going up actually above it a little bit right now. So we're at a +9 so far this morning, but from when we started, from where we left off yesterday, we're about almost 18, not quite, about 16 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. So we do have an improvement in the interest rates today from where we left off yesterday. So we got a nice little rally coming in here. So enjoy. You guys have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for listening. And if you can continue this support, stop by Mike's Daily Market Report and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.